Are we ready?
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing.
Say hello.
Is it rolling?
Yeah, you're rolling.
Can't get my fat head in.
You're live. Season 2.
Oh, it could be.
Season.
I like that.
Season 2, episode 1.
I like that.
Okay, yeah, if we want.
People could binge us.
Do you know which?
Yes. I wrote it right on here. Season 2, episode 2.
Sweet. Good job.
We have a hard time
Remembering the
remembering where we're
episodes.
at.
Yeah, I don't like either one of them either.
Did not sound good.
Oh, no.
It was like you could see it go. It was going down a dark path.
Oh,
I called my wife. I go, you may want to listen to this.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Is this recording? Or
I think I am. Yeah.
Hello, hello. Yep, looks like it.
Look at
that's
you.
you?
I look at myself and then see you.
We're practicing.
That's right.
That bottle behind my head is just a little bit goofy. Can I move it?
Yeah, here. Let's put it over here.
It looks like a weird unicorn horn.
Your head's so pretty. Why would you care about that?
I'm easily
I just have a
distracted.
problem with something behind you.
Something just came up on here.
Technical difficulties. Trina!
I don't want to push anything.
No, you're good. Attack. Can we start it that way?
Season 2.
I love it.
Oh yeah, you gotta ask him Keith's question.
Oh, which one was Keith's
Bottom.
question?
I'll
Your
get there.
biggest
We don't want
rival.
Keith's question. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yeah, that question.
You'll see.
Get over there and ask some questions.
think of the question, then I'll get over it.
Nothing, huh? No things.
I have one.
Don't pull a Nate.
I have one.
Most of the time it's okay.
All right, so let me ask one question, then shut it off, and then I'll think of another one.
That's fine. Take.
Did you get the scowl? This is gonna go on the bloopers. Did you get the scowl?
See it, but it's probably
It's
on
caught.
video.
It has to be.
It's there.
When are we gonna do one of these on the actually on the engine?
When it gets back from the prison.
All these coaches get out of restriction and quarantine.
Yeah.
And whatnot.
And whatnots.
Perfect.
Come on.
Just lost my train of thought.
Okay.
Think of 3. She'll edit all this stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Well, but
It's like,
you already asked the questions that I would ask.
No.
whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah. That would have works.
Beginning.
Yep.
Say hello.
Is it rolling?
Yeah, you're rolling.
We're the best.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so easy. Do you want me to close this one?
Rinse and repeat.
No, you can't say that anymore.
By the hospital back in the. We're gonna cut that out. You don't explain that.
I'm like,
I just thought
I
that.
forgot that part.
When you kind of-
Oh, one last question. Why do you not sleep naked at night?
Oh, I just turned this one off. So don't touch the hands off.
That's a blooper, by the way. And that needs to be cut out. And that has to be cut out.
That's where you're going. Sorry.
Out. Out. All right, that concludes.
Thanks, nice.
Awesome.
Those are good ones.
You did get carded. It was Saturday you said you got carded.
Yeah, I get carded all the time.
Go dogs.
Western Rocks. Bulldogs for life.
Well, that's all I've got.
Cool.
Trina!